Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Buju Banton's daughter, Abigail Myrie, accuses him of abuse. This is the second time one of Buju Banton's children is accusing him of abuse. Abigail Myrie, daughter of reggae legend Buju Banton, has taken to social media to accuse her father of abuse. In a series of posts which have since gone viral, Abigail alleges that Buju Banton attempted to strangle her and threw her out of his house. The allegations mirrored that of son Marcus Myrie, who in 2019 made public statements of physical abuse at the hands of Buju Banton. Abigail has also shared screenshots of a private conversation with one of her siblings who also confirmed the allegation of abuse. So, Buju Banton is yet to react to the accusations. So, let's see what he will say. Thanks for watching.